Today morning very prime news highlight from SNH from Singapore. Her turn to lead, how a family event business found new life and new markets. Singapore-based exhibition and event agency Leon Exhibition Pte Limited has announced a leadership transition, with second-generation leader Shu Hui Mei taking the lead. When Shu Hui Mei stepped into her family's exhibition business, it was never part of a long-term succession plan. She had built a promising career far removed from exhibition halls, carpentry workshops, and the intensity of on-site coordination work. But when her father's company faced a defining crisis, the decision to return became personal and irreversible. A business built on perseverance. Leonex was founded in 2009 by Shu Hui's father, Zhen Yaomei, with a simple goal, to give his family a better life. Like many first-generation entrepreneurs, his path was neither smooth nor predictable. What started as a group idea eventually became a solo responsibility, he recalls. When difficulties came, others stepped away. I chose to continue. An unplanned return. Before joining Leonex, Shu Hui worked as a headhunter, recruiting talent across the public sector as well as banking and finance. For nearly 2 years, she thrived in a fast-paced environment that sharpened her understanding of people, systems, and organizational structure. I never planned to join the family business, she says. Recruitment allowed me to understand different industries without being inside them. Her return was driven not by ambition, but conviction. My father went through a very difficult period, and I felt he had been wronged, she says. I initially came in to protect his name and the decades of work he put in. Over time, that responsibility turned into purpose. What she inherited was not a thriving company, but an empty shell, no factory, no workers, no active clients. What followed was a rebuild from the ground up. Reimagining Leonex. Rather than replicate the past, Shu Hui redefined what Leonex could stand for. At the heart of her vision is a belief that exhibition booths should do more than occupy space, they should tell stories. Too many booths are square, predictable, and forgettable, she explains. We wanted to create conversation points that help clients engage meaningfully during the short window of an exhibition. Technology should enhance interaction, not distract from it, Mei says. If it helps our clients start better conversations, then it adds real value. Growing with regional brands. The idea is to help second-generation founders bring their businesses to the next level, while retaining the heritage built by the first generation, Shu Hui explains. As a second-gen myself, this feels like second-gen serving second-gens. Leadership and the road ahead. In a male-dominated industry, Shu Hui admits she had to work harder early on to be taken seriously. Consistency and results eventually speak louder than assumptions, she says. It started with pressure, she reflects. Now, it's about building something meaningful, something my father can be proud of, and something that can stand on its own. Thank you for watching SNH. Do you like it? Could you please share to your family members, friends, colleagues?